In the Express Change package, we have an existing ECO, that's an Enterprise Change Order. We've also created a new EDR. It's called an Enterprise Document Review. It's very similar to a DCO, which is a Document Change Order. What we've actually allowed in the ECO is the ability to add documents, which can be a document like a Word document or a CAD document, to the ECO impact matrix, and those can now either travel through the ECO workflow or they can be designated to be spawned into new EDRs that then themselves have their own lifecycle status. Basically, the key features in terms of takeaway are the ability to see the impact of your change, not just in terms of parts, but also the documents and drawings that typically are going to be part of a product structure. The ability to group these together. The idea there is that typical businesses are going to have different folks looking at different types of documents. You might have specifications that one team is looking at and perhaps drawings that another team would look at. And this bottom-up closure, it ensures that the EDRs close before the ECO. And we have added some further color coding in here. You can see in the image on the right that we give you an idea of what you're looking at, so that way as you have many parts and documents start to show up in the impact matrix, you can sort of see what you're looking at. So with that, I will jump into a demo. So this is the standard Innovator. This happens to be Service Pack 3 that's necessary for the new 11R2 release of product engineering to run on. And I'm just going to pick a general part here. This just happens to be this mechanical end stop. This is part of our demo database. Just a random part. Basically, the only reason I generated it, it has a document so I can give you the idea of how these work pretty quickly. So I'm just going to add this item to a change. So I'm going to add this part, this mechanical end stop, to a change. So I'm going to choose an Express ECO. And this is now going to generate the ECO for me. And we're just going to call this Demo 1. And all the other information is pre-populated here with the basic information. These can all be changed. Change reason and change description, typically you'd fill those out. What you're seeing here in the impact matrix now is our mechanical end stop part here that's highlighted in purple. The purple color was chosen because it also matches the purple that we use for parts in our ribbon stripe. And its current action is set to review, so we're going to set our action on here, in this case to revise. And you notice right away that when this part came in, Impact Matrix knew that it was going to be impacted, so it automatically looked down through its structure and found the CAD file that was attached to it, and also looked above it to find an assembly. That's useful for determining your level of impact and where you can make your changes. So for this example, we're just going to also revise the CAD, and this also does show the secondary assembly that this is also used in. The new ability to add EDR grouping is actually a new column, and as I'm clicking here, you can't really see me clicking my mouse, but I cannot add an EDR grouping to a part. This is a document only field, so it has to be a CAD document or a document type. And it's just simply a drop-down list. In this case, we'll just choose A. Basically, all this is doing is saying, hey, I want to put these in that separate EDR. And once I choose Save here, and this transitions through, one of the things I need to do is transition to my EDR tab. And it's already noticed, and it said, hey, you've got a grouping A, you need to give me a team. So this is an area where I can go and choose. We use product team, your business may use a different team. This is so that when the EDR is created, it will properly assign the right team members to the various tasks.